behind you. Yeah, your fingers covering the petrol can, was it?
Give it a good quick shake now. Give it a shake. That's it, that's the way to do it. Keep at it. There's more of them down lower. They're up above it as well, are they? They're up higher as well, up in the branch. You see them up on top of it?
Yeah, all I can do now is put the lid on it, really. I can't sweep them down.
Oh, can't you?
Too much in it.
I put the lid on it, so sure.
Put it there now, I suppose, like, I could lid it
Yeah, cut it if you can,
and lay it over it.
and lay it over it.
Yeah.
Walk around it now. Give it a good squeezing. You getting it?
I think so.
That's the way to do it. Huh? That's good enough, and they'll walk away from there now. Let's let that now. Will you walk away from them now?
I'm thinking I might leave them now for 10 minutes.
Will they go down into it now?
See if they stay with the back.
Will you blow more that stuff into? Would it quieten them?
I wouldn't think so. We'll walk away now for 10 minutes. You can head away there, I'd say no.
What'll I do with this? Turn it off?
Yeah, there's the red button at the bottom.